So hey everyone, just wanted to go through this price action for EurAud from Thursday into Friday. And on Thursday we have this push down, sweeping out these short-term lows here and here and even here, taking out all these lows, pushing down throughout London into New York, reaching a bottom. And so once I see this price action, even coming down from this long-term high here, down, pushing up through Asian session on Thursday, coming out, pushing down, creating this bottom. And so when I get on the charts in the evening before going to bed, I see this price action here. I see this consolidation here. I see the sweep of these highs, filling in this imbalance, because price action is efficient. So because price action is efficient, it will fill in imbalances. So once it filled this imbalance, I saw that it pushed down and come into this manipulation candle here. And so once I saw this, I realized that this here on the 30-minute time frame, this imbalance was going to get filled. So what I did was I was looking for a short right there and covering that, and to fill this imbalance here. And so it is 8:30 at night, knowing that I will be going to bed soon. I set a pending order for this, pushing down just a little bit more, looking for 100 pips, probably targeting this low here. And as I was targeting this low here, I was confident in this trade. I was very confident that this trade would hit and that I would wake up a winner. And so I watched price action for a few minutes. I saw myself get triggered in. Price began to push down, and I went to bed right here, 11 o'clock. I went to bed, and when I wake up in the morning, this is what happened. Price filled in the imbalance that was above, hit the MC candle that was not mitigated. I was seduced into this price action. This price action looked so good that I just thought this was the perfect setup, and it wasn't the perfect setup. So when I wake up and I see this in the morning, I wait for another grab of liquidity. So we have a grab of liquidity high, imbalance filled, candle, manipulation candle mitigated. So I'm confident that if it pushes, it has to take out this high, this high, this high, and this high in order for me to be wrong a second time. And so I'm waiting for this displacement, this push down. Once I saw this push down and these lows taken, knowing that there was news at 8:30, I have my 8:30 vertical line here. Knowing that there was news at 8:30, I was going to wait to the news to see what happened, and then I was looking to get involved on shorts again. And so price action continues. Let's go down to the 15-minute time frame. As price action, here's the news. Boom, the news pushes up. Once the news pushes up and it begins to teeter-totter and spike down, I'm ready to get involved again. So I remember taking this trade at 8:35 a.m. right? So let's find 8:35 right here. Boom, I took that trade right there. Covered that high there, targeted this low. It's a 5-to-1 trade. Went back to the 15-minute. Looking for price to get into this imbalance first. These were my first two targets, and this was my third target. And as price comes down, price pushes down heavily. I'm very confident at this point. Price takes a low, and of course once it takes a low, it begins to just drop. Covered that imbalance, took out TP1, TP2, TP3. I closed the trade right about here. I closed on this candle, drop down right there, took my profit, and then I enjoy the rest of the day. And so just because I was taken out last night and I was wrong about this trade doesn't mean I was wrong about the bias. And if we go to the daily time frame starting in the morning, the reason why I took this trade was because this is what I saw on the daily time frame in the morning. I saw this imbalance right here. Now, even though price was bullish, I had a strong feeling that because price had pushed up and had been rejected, it had taken all these highs, so liquidity has been swept here. I had a strong feeling that this imbalance was going to get filled, and so this was my main target, right? This was my main target, and after that, those 15-minute imbalances that were lower were just a bonus. And so all we have to do is look at price action, and price action clearly filled that imbalance and hit that 15-minute imbalance that was to the left here, right there. Boom, boom. And so what you have to know is that once liquidity is taken, price can go into its intended direction. And so this is perfect price action. This is a classic signature pattern that price comes down, takes out the highs, takes out the low, pushes up, takes out more highs, fills imbalance here, drops down. We have economic news that comes up, fills the imbalance here, and then begins to drop and move into the direction. And so that's my analysis on EurAud.